Hello everyone, welcome again to my video. My name is Listy and Shobah. I'm from class 3B. In today's video, I want to show you a tutorial how to create a class in Google Classroom or how to join a class from Google Classroom. For example, if you have project from your school, you act like a teacher and you have to invite your friends as a student. And here, what do you have to do to create a class in Google Classroom? Okay, so the first thing you have to do is open your browser. And here, okay, we have to type first Google Classroom, go to the website, and in the website you have to log into your Google account or email, for example. Okay, and then and you are in the Google Classroom now. I'm sorry, here I already make a class. Okay, but that just and field example. And here in the here you can choose to join to the class. To join, you have to type the class code from your teacher or your instructor. Or if you want to create a class, you can click this one, create a class. Okay, I will click it, and this is the rule. You just have to agree with it. Just click, and here your class name. For example, I will make an English class, uh, English class. For example, this is an example, and here I think this is not very important, so I will just go to the subject. This is the subject, of course, bahasa Inggris or English. I'm sorry. Bahasa Inggris, and here ruang or class you can choose, for example, for 3B, and just create. Okay, so this is the English class that I have made. Okay, so here class code, you can share this code with your friends or your students to know to join your class. Just you can copy the link and share it on WhatsApp or yeah, many application. And here, just if you want to write something, you can choose to all students or some students. Here you can choose, if you already invite your friends to the class, you can choose that you want the project or the material shared to your all students or just some of them. Okay, so and here you can give announcement maybe about the material or anything, or you just share, for example, share material, and I will give you an example. Example, here I will just share PPTs. Sorry, my internet connection is not really fast. Okay, so this is the PPTs that I want to share, and you can type here maybe the rules or something. For example, read the following PPTs, and here you can posting. Here you can post. Example, I want to post. Yeah, nah, this is the post, and so your student can click it to know to know, or I can open the PPTs, for example, here, like this is drama presentation from my group in drama class. This is just an example. Okay, so and here also usually my teacher, for example, when using Google Classroom, here we just have a discussion. This is the PPTs about material, and we learn about it, and the teachers will just like explain it on our group WhatsApp, because we have online class. And we can ask the question is not in for asking question. We are not asking in what is it in group WhatsApp, but we just discuss on the comments of Google Classroom. And here you can type, or you can start your class by say hi to your students. For example, like hi, please write your name for the absent, for example here. And then your students or your friends that you have invited, that will answer you here. Yeah, make a discussion. So yeah, this is how you make or create a class in Google Classroom. Thank you so much. Maybe that's my video for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye everyone.